3D printing has come a long way, from a niche hobby to a revolution in manufacturing. But with so many filament choices, how do you pick the best one? Before we talk filaments, let's take a step back. The first 3D printing tech was invented by Chuck Hull in 1984. He created stereolithography, SLA, which used UV light to harden liquid resin into solid objects. In the 90s and early 2000s, big companies used SLS and FDM printers, but they were expensive. Only industries like aerospace and automotive could afford them. Then in the 2010s, the RepRap project made 3D printing affordable, and today, it's used everywhere from prosthetics to cars and even in space. Now, let's break down the best 3D printing filaments. First, PLA, perfect for beginners. It's easy to print, biodegradable, and looks great, but it's brittle and melts at just 60 degrees Celsius. Next, ABS, strong and heat-resistant, making it great for functional parts. But it warps easily and releases fumes, so ventilation is needed. PETG combines the best of both. It's durable like ABS, but easy to print like PLA. It's water-resistant, but it can string if not tuned properly. TPU is for flexible prints, perfect for phone cases and wearable parts. But it's tricky to print and jams easily. Then we have carbon fiber and exotic filaments, extremely strong and used in high-end applications. But they require a hardened steel nozzle and are more expensive. So which filament is the best? It depends on your project. PLA for beginners, ABS for durability, PETG for an all-rounder, TPU for flexibility, and carbon fiber for high-performance prints. What's your go-to filament? Let us know in the comments.